Hola, amigas. So let's have lunch again here in the office. And for today's menu, we have shawarma rice. Amoy pa lang, amoy masarap na. Well, sana masarap. So it has cucumber and ground beef or pork, but the rice still looks dry. Masarap naman yung sauce. And it also has tomatoes. Okay, final verdict. Malasa naman siya. Pero, yung hot sauce niya kasi hindi tulad ng hot sauce ng normal na shawarma. Literal na hot sauce, yung hot sauce niya. Pero all in all for me, considering the price of this, because this is only 70 pesos, okay naman yung lasa niya. And also, madami yung meat niya and also the vegetables. So, sulit na din siya. Bon eating! So, let's have my JC barley again. And that's all for my lunch. Sorry today. Adios, amigas!